Hello guys, today I'm going to answer the question how to fix that your battery level of your earbuds aren't reliable. If the battery of the left and right earbuds aren't reliable in your device, the first thing you have to do is to put them in your case and try charging them up to 100%. So just leave them for a few hours and check. If that fixes your issue, that's nice, but if it didn't, then you need to unpair your earbuds from your phone, restart your phone, and try to factory reset your device by when your device is turned off, entering the pairing mode, closing the case, and then entering the pairing mode back again. Then you can try to pair your device with your phone, and this should be fixed. If it isn't, you need to contact device support because your headphones may be just broken and you need a new pair. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.